Hello guys, welcome to Grace Fajardo Mix Vlog. Dami karon og tempo, ano yun? Toast temple. Wait lang. Okay, let's go baby. Bring the water. So we're going to up. Kung ano siya, kanang murag temple ni siya sa mga Chinese gani. Oo, sa mga Chinese temple. So it is nice here. And also take photo. You want photo?
No.
No? See ha? Taas kayo ba? Yeah. Taoist temple di ay Taoist temple. Toast temple naman noon. See guys, so kaso makahangal.
Ito sir, character, Chinese character to, meaning dragon.
Oh, look nice. See guys, nice sky diri ah. Makahingal. Nice tag. Wow. See? Ay, sa kay kapoy ko. Yeah. It's a nice view here in the in the top, but look guys, oh. Muni ang view sa gawas. Pero muni siya ang Taoist temple. See? It's nice. Later we picture. Okay? No entry. It's a beautiful day to say. Ganina gikan mig Port San Pedro. Maganda sad. Tas ingat to mig Robinson kay nangaon kay gutom. Wait lang. Nagkakahinga na. Ha? Wow, ha? See, oh. Later how we take photo, ha? It's nice. See? Maganda dito sa mga turista. You want? See guys, it's a nice place here. And also take a photo of Taoist temple like Chinese. See, it's a nice here. Tapos like, what's that, dragon? See, it's a nice. This is see. Okay, it's inside. So it is nice. I guess not allowed to take ito yung mga hindi pwedeng gawin. Bawal kang maingay, bawal mag-take ng photo sa sa mismong altar nila. Nasa na yung kasama ko. Maganda din yung view doon sa dyan sa labas. Oh, see? We're going up. It is nice. It is very nice here. Wow, first time na akong makangariba. Let's see. It's a big bell. Ang init. See, papunta na kami sa taas. Maganda yung view niya. Tsaka, see guys, it's a dragon. Mapapanood lang natin to sa anong ganda. Sobra talagang ganda. Ha? Photo? Okay, din sit, stand there. Wait, ha? Sobrang ganda guys, oh. See? It's a nice place here. May in love ka sa place, guys. It's a beautiful place here. So, first time kong pumunta rito. Sa Cebu to, sa Cebu, sa Lahug. So, maganda siya sa mga foreign tourist. Yeah. Guys, it's nice. It's nice. Para siyang ano. What's babe? See? Pabawal kang mag-take ng photo kaya ito yun ang pinakatuktok niya guys. Meron pa ditong water. Ayun mo. Kaso bawal pumunta dyan sa taas. Tsaka bawal see, ito na yung pinakatuktok niya. Oh yeah, later I'm just video. Guys, pabalik na kami. At yung taxi naghihintay na. It's a nice place, ha. See, oh. Taoist temple. Bawal kasi yung maingay. Tsaka bawal yung maingay dito. Tsaka yung mag-take ng photo malapit sa santo. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.